You have probably seen the highlight reel. The 22-year-old who built a six-figure business in 90 days. The influencer who turned their passion into a million-dollar brand. The crypto trader who made life-changing money in a single weekend. And somewhere between watching those videos and closing your phone, a quiet thought appears. That is not going to be me. Not because you are not capable, not because you do not have the drive, but because those stories require a specific kind of lightning to strike. And most people, most hardworking, intelligent, capable people, are not waiting for lightning. They are looking for something more reliable than lightning, something boring. Because boring, in business, is not an insult. Boring is a strategy. Boring is the thing that pays you on a Tuesday when you did not post anything, on a Thursday when you were too tired to hustle, on a Sunday when you were not working at all. Boring pays you every single day, 15 businesses, all of them boring, all of them quietly making ordinary people financially free, without a viral moment, without a massive following, without a product that changed the world. Just boring, consistent, every single day. Before the 15, I want to tell you about two people. Person A spent 3 years chasing exciting business ideas. A clothing brand, a podcast, a YouTube channel, an NFT project. Each one started with energy and ended with exhaustion. 3 years of excitement. Net income from all of it, approximately $4,000. Person B spent the same 3 years running a laundromat. No social media presence, no viral moment, no exciting story to tell at dinner, just machines washing clothes every single day, whether Person B showed up or not. 3 years later, Person B's laundromat generates approximately $11,000 per month in revenue. After expenses, $4,000 per month in profit. Quietly, boringly, every single day. The exciting business made $4,000 in 3 years. The boring business makes $4,000 every single month. This video is about the boring businesses. Not because exciting is wrong, but because boring is reliable. And reliable is what builds a life. Business 1. Laundromat. Marcus is 38 years old, black male, Memphis, Tennessee, former warehouse supervisor earning $41,000 per year. He was tired, not of working and having nothing to show for it after 20 years of someone else's schedule determining his life. He spent $45,000 to purchase an existing laundromat using a small business loan. He kept his warehouse job for the first year while the laundromat ran itself. Monthly revenue, approximately $14,000. After expenses and loan repayment, $4,500 in profit. He visits twice a week to restock supplies and check machines. The rest runs itself. Nobody posts about going to the laundromat. Nobody follows the laundromat on social media. But everybody needs clean clothes. Every single day. That is what boring looks like when it pays. Business 2, vending machines. Kezia is 29 years old, black female, Atlanta, Georgia, administrative coordinator, earning $38,000 per year. She started with 2 vending machines placed in an office building near her workplace. Total investment, $3,200 for 2 refurbished machines. Within 6 months, she had 5 machines in 3 locations. Monthly profit from 5 machines, approximately $2,000. She restocks on Saturday mornings. Total time per week, 3 hours. $2,000 per month from 3 hours of work per week, from snacks, from the most boring product imaginable. Boring pays. Business 3, a TM machine ownership. Jerome is 36 years old, black male, Chicago, Illinois, sales representative. He placed 3 ATM machines in a barbershop, a corner store, and a nightclub. Total investment for 3 machines, approximately $9,000. Monthly profit after expenses, approximately $1,200. Every time someone withdraws cash from Jerome's machine, Jerome earns between $2 and $3. He does not have to be there. He does not have to do anything. The machine works every hour of every day, including when Jerome is asleep. That is not passive income as a concept. That is passive income as a reality, boring and automatic and every single day. Business 4, storage units. Amara is 51 years old, Black female, Charlotte, North Carolina, school administrator. She invested $28,000 to convert the back section of a property she already owned into 6 storage units. All 6 were rented within 45 days. Monthly profit after expenses, approximately $1,500. People always have too much stuff. That problem does not go away in a recession. It does not go away when trends shift. Storage units are the most boring product in the world, and they are almost always full. Business 5, car wash. Darius is 44 years old, Black male, Houston, Texas, electrician. He purchased a self-service car wash bay from a retiring owner for $62,000. The business runs on quarters and card payments. No employees, no daily involvement. Monthly profit after expenses, approximately $4,300. Cars get dirty every single day, in every city, in every economy. The car wash does not care about inflation or trends or whether Darius posted on social media. It just runs. Business 6, pressure washing. Malik is 26 years old, Black male, Dallas, Texas. Recently graduated and could not find a job in his field. He purchased a commercial pressure washer for $1,800 and began offering residential and commercial services. First month revenue, $1,200. Month 6, $4,800. Current monthly profit with 1 part-time assistant, approximately $5,200. Driveways get dirty, parking lots get dirty, restaurant exteriors get dirty. Every single day. Malik's phone rings because the dirt exists, not because he is famous. Business 7, parking lot rental. Nadia is 33 years old, Black female, Washington, D.C. nurse. She owns a small, unused plot of land near a busy metro station. She listed it on a parking rental app. The lot holds 8 cars. Monthly profit after expenses, approximately $2,200. She owns land. People need somewhere to park. That is the entire business model, $2,200 per month from a piece of land that was previously producing nothing. Business 8, ice vending machines. Priya is 34 years old, Black female, Phoenix, Arizona, HR coordinator. She invested $18,000 in 2 ice vending machines placed outside a convenience store and a sports complex. Monthly profit from 2 machines, approximately $2,300. Ice. The most boring product imaginable. Every cookout, every sports event, every family gathering. People always need ice, and they will pay for the convenience of getting it at 2 in the morning when the store is closed. Business 9, house hacking. David is 31 years old, Black male, Birmingham, Alabama, teacher earning $44,000 per year. I know what you are thinking. Rental property requires a lot of money. Not always. David purchased a duplex for $185,000. His mortgage payment, $1,100 per month. His rental income from the second unit, $950 per month. His effective housing cost, $150 per month. And he is building equity in a property every single month. Not a real estate empire. 1 duplex, 1 tenant, $150 for housing instead of $1,000. That is house hacking. That is boring. That is brilliant. Business 10, laundry pickup and delivery. Kwame is 27 years old, Black male, Brooklyn, New York, delivery driver. He does not own a single washing machine. He picks up dirty laundry, washes it at existing laundromats during off-peak hours, and delivers it back clean and folded. He charges $1.50 per pound. Current monthly profit, approximately $3,600. He does not own a machine. He owns the relationship with the customer, and people need clean clothes every single week. That need has existed since the beginning of civilization. It will exist long after every trend has passed. Business 11, pool cleaning service. Maya is 32 years old, Black female, Miami, Florida, receptionist earning $36,000 per year. She completed a pool technician certification for $800 and began offering residential pool cleaning services. She currently services 22 pools on a weekly schedule. Monthly profit, approximately $4,300. Pools need cleaning every single week. In Miami, almost every home has one. Maya has 22 clients who pay her every single month, whether she feels inspired or not, because the algae does not wait for inspiration. Business, 12. Notary public service. Nia is 28 years old, Black female, Los Angeles, California. Customer service representative earning $38,000 per year. Becoming a commissioned notary, public costs between $100 and $500 depending on the state. Nia spent $200 and began offering mobile notary services, going to clients who need documents witnessed. Current monthly profit from evening and weekend notary work, approximately $2,650. Legal documents need witnessing every day. Mortgage closings, wills, business agreements, power of attorney. The demand is consistent and completely unaffected by social media trends. Nia charges for her time and her commission stamp. Nothing else required. Business 13. Billboard rental. Jordan is 45 years old. Black male. Nashville, Tennessee. Sales manager. He leased a small roadside plot for $400 per month and erected a billboard for $8,000. He rents the billboard space to local businesses on rotating monthly contracts. Monthly profit, approximately $1,200. Local businesses always need advertising. High visibility locations are always scarce. Jordan placed himself between the two. One billboard, $1,200 per month, every month, whether Jordan goes to work or not. Business 14. Coin-operated car vacuum stations. Zara is 41 years old. Black female, Detroit, Michigan, office manager. She purchased 2 coin-operated car vacuum stations and placed them at the exit of a busy car wash that did not offer vacuuming. She negotiated a small revenue share with the car wash owner. Monthly profit, approximately $1,350. Simple, boring, obvious. The car is already being washed. People want it vacuumed too. Zara provided the machine. The machine does the rest, every single day. Business 15, peer-to-peer car rental. Dominique is 30 years old, Black female, Atlanta, Georgia. Marketing coordinator, earning $45,000 per year. She listed her second vehicle on a peer-to-peer car rental platform. The car earns income while she is not using it, primarily on weekends and during her work hours. Monthly profit after expenses including insurance, approximately $1,050. Her car was sitting in the driveway most of the week, producing nothing. Now it earns money while it sits, $1,050 per month from an asset she already owned. That is the boring business in its purest form, making something you already have work harder than it was working before. 15 businesses. Not one of them went viral. Not one of them required a massive following or a perfect product or a lightning moment. Marcus washes clothes. Kezia stocks snacks. Jerome owns ATMs. Amara stores people's things. Darius washes cars. Malik Pressure washes driveways. Nadia rents parking spaces. Priya sells ice. David rents half his home. Kwame collects laundry. Maya cleans pools. Nia witnesses signatures. Jordan rents a billboard. Zara vacuums cars. Dominique rents her car. None of them are famous. None of them went viral. None of them are waiting for lightning. Every single one of them built on the same foundation. A problem that exists every day, a system that solves it, and the patience to let boring do its work. You do not need exciting. You need reliable. And reliable, as you have just seen 15 times over, pays you every single day. Which one is yours?